So this is a current version of the Melbourne Marathon simulation. As before, we have the timeline up here where you can select via a slider what time of day you want to look at. On the right side, we have the time of day as well as the gun time of the marathon. So changes are that we have on the right side now added view of a certain spot that we clicked on. For example, if I click on the half marathon at this distance, we can see how the runners how the flow of runners will be over the time at this spot, and I can select whichever spot I like from just by clicking on the circle. Clicking on the graph will go into zoom mode. If you're not in zoom mode, it will show the whole race, but this will make it easier for you to um, compare the flow. On the lower half, we have the graph of the runner flow not over time but over the distance. So at 8:45, in regards to the distance, the runner flow is as shown below, red being the marathon, blue being the half marathon, using the same colors as we have on the screen over here. You can also, if you go to the autoplay mode, see the graphs moving to the side. Other than that, if you click on the start, or on the finish, just the same thing. You can see how many have not yet started, how many are on the course, how many have finished, and how many have left the finish area. And this will also change over time when you're in autoplay mode, allowing you to see who is waiting to start still, and how many people are we expecting to be in the finish area at a certain point in time. Also, if you click the settings panel, you can input some changes to the view, which you can also do with mouse gestures on the map, and you can set the starting times for each race and show or hide certain races if you don't want them to appear on the map or on the graphs. To return to the timeline over here, just click on the button of timeline or click on a certain button of the race you want to see. Again, clicking on it goes into zoom mode to make it more obvious. Hovering over a certain spot on each race will show the same info as before, runners per 100 meter of road, and also the recommended road width is now added.